Swing by handyman, stuck, can't get in the house, keys gone. Let me know. Swing by. New locks installed. Swing by. Swing by, we're still working. Got another call. Replacing all the plugs are burnt out. That exploded. That exploded. We're gonna rewire up the whole stove. Make sure everything's working fine. Let's work. All rewired up. The old ones are all burnt out, exploded. All of them burnt out. All 4 new plugs. New drip pans, burners. Let's see if we get some fire. We're getting some fire. Nice and hot. Hot, hot, hot. This one's not getting hot. Time to go on and take the switch. So now we see the switch is bad. We'll take this one out, put it in a new one. Stay tuned. Nice and hot now. See the smoke? Swing by.